Spend all your time waiting for that second chance, for a break that would make it okay. There's always one reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction. Oh, beautiful release. Memories cease from my mind. Let me be empty, oh, weightless, and maybe I'll find some peace tonight in the arms of an angel. Fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel room, and the endless mess that you feel. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort there. So tired of the straight line, and everywhere you turn, there's vultures and thieves at your back. The storm keeps on twisting. You keep on building the lie that you make up for all that you lack. It don't make no difference escaping one last time